Combustion engines are everywhere in modern society. You find them in cars, trucks, ships, airplanes, and power plants. But combustion engines are so complicated that still, after 150 years, there's a lot to be learned in order to make them as fuel efficient and environmentally friendly as possible. New possibilities for intelligent control of the engines are also constantly emerging, thanks to the rapid development of electronics and computers.
Research at the Department of Energy Sciences, Division of Combustion Engines, aims to understand and control combustion in engines. Detailed information about combustion can be gained by making part of the engine out of glass. Advanced laser and imaging technology is used to study reactions and flow inside the combustion chamber. This particular research in Lund is world-leading at the cutting edge of technology.
So, I guess, does everybody know now what they should do?
Yeah, it is.